In this video, we will learn how to put the value of two or more cells in a single cell. Suppose there are two columns, first name and last name, and we have to put the value in a single column. We will use the Excel formula Concatenate. We will use a formula Concatenate, and then select the cells whose value are required to be combined. Now there is a problem. Although the values of two cells are combined in a single cell, but the first name and last name needs to be separated by space for meaningful output. Now let us insert a column between column first name and column last name. Now we will put a space in this column. Now see how the Excel formula Concatenate works out. This time we will select all the three cells and combine in a single cell. See the result. See, this is how, with a simple trick, one can easily combine the data of two or more separate cells into a single cell. Wait! There's also an alternative option. Select the cells you want to combine and put an symbol in between, and you will get the same result. See how I'm doing it.